Is Lila gonna push you? Put your feet up. Are you gonna push him? Ready? Put your feet up. Here he comes. Push him. Woo! You better hold on. Is he holding that for you, Lila, so you can push him? Here, you want mommy to hold this? Hold on. Okay. Hold on. Put your feet up, silly goose. You want to push Lila? Why don't you get off and push Lila? Here. Goes in the pot. Cooking some chocolate. Give Lila a bite. Give Lila a bite of that chocolate. Can Lila have a bite? No, give Lila a bite. You hog. Boom, there's a table.